what's up everybody, it's your boy JRE, and right now we're about to check out Stray Kids S-Class. Calm down, bro. But hey, sometimes Stray Kids really get you that hype, like real talk. So get lit, get hype, do what you gotta do. Anyway, Stray Kids S-Class, we already here. You already know how it is. We're gonna be checking this out, guys. If you haven't already, go check out my new channel, Dre Day. Go check it out. Gonna have some new videos from my Twitch clips to like vlogs to like every vlog, like basically like when I go to see Mamamoo this Sunday. Definitely gonna be a vlog over there, so go check it out. But Stray Kids S-Class, they've been going ham. I already know the album's gonna be lit. I'm probably gonna do our first listen album sometime soon on Twitch, so you better follow the Twitch if you haven't already. So all my Filipino people, mahal kita. But without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go, let's begin. Play my intro. Alrighty, Stray Kids S-Class MV, let's get it, let's go. Let's begin. Captions on. And oh damn, we got a wide shot. Whistle in my ear, let's go. Of course you would whistle in my ear. Look at you, you sexy fiend, you. Mwah! Dang, why he staring like that? He gotta stop playing. Hold up. He need to stop playing too. He played too much too. I'm just letting you know. Bitch. Ooh. Hold up. What the hell was that? You can't be just going like wiping your old spit. Ooh. Oh, a mirror. Ooh, Mr. Garbage Man, let's go. Ooh, nice little kick. He got a gust of wind coming out of his feet. Airbender shit. S-Class though. What do you say? It's above first class? Ooh, Serpent Road? Is it like is that a Dragon Ball Z reference? No. I mean, you know when Goku was running on, was it called Serpent Road? Snake Road. It probably was Snake. S-Class. Our first class. Hey. Let's go, Felix. Hey, get that feet work. Oh. Where are they? They in a... They're like a rare jewel. Ooh. Bro, they go hard. I feel like Stray Kids mastered their color. They mastered their sound. And they're just like going with the flow, real talk. While it, like making it a little bit different either way each time. Ooh. Ooh. Old school. I like the little slow-mo a bit too. Ooh. This editing's crazy. Yo, shout out to the editing team. Shout out to the filming team of these music videos. You guys go crazy bananas. Ooh. What the hell? Hey. That was fire. And then back to this on some Fast X-ish. Yeah, on some Fast and Furious. Let's go, Bangchan. Ooh. Oh, he don't even know what's happening behind him. A whole ass Kraken, bro. That's me. Hey. Bling, bling. You know what's crazy? This song itself and music video, sorry for pausing, also not sorry. This song and music video is so flashy and so in your face. I'm so excited to see the difference of what it is in like the album itself. I know there's gonna be some freaking bangers in that B-sides. Ooh, they holding hands? They touching themselves? What, Dre? Okay, sir. Ooh. Oh my god, what the? What? Hey, oh. What is that here? How is that? Ooh, wait a second. That shit was fire right there. That breakdown to go to the dance breakdown, I think, right? Bro, you know what this edit reminds me of? You see those like trending edits of, I forgot who edits them, but it's like he edits like accidents that happen in music videos that it doesn't really happen in music videos, but he 3D. The editing skills in that person is like crazy though. But if you know what I'm talking about, put it in the comments down below. Ooh. Hey. Damn! With the like fireworks too? Ooh. Outfit though. Feeling extra. Get that body roll too, like body roll type of song still. Oh, it's over? Ooh. S-Class. Let's go. Stray Kids. Stray Kids everywhere around the world. You make Stray Kids stay. Let's go, Stray Kids. Yo, put in the comments down below what you guys think of Stray Kids S-Class. And what do you think about the album? What is your favorite song from the album? So I could be on the lookout. I love it when y'all hype it up and then I'm like, all right, now I gotta check this out. So tell me what is your favorite song from the album. I know some people or most people will say all of them, but tell me what's your favorite one, or two, or three, or four, or the ones that stand out to you personally. All right, y'all. It's your boy JRE. Shout out to all the stays. I'ma stay myself. Bangchan, if you are seeing this, what's good? If any of the members of Stray Kids see this, how you doing? What's poppin'? It's your boy JRE. Ayy. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, you repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work through it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, y'all? Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.